We are on our way up to, it's about a 3.5 hour drive to go look at a tractor that may or may not be one that we buy. We'll see. Hopefully it is. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay guys, so we got the tractor loaded. It looks like our wood fell out from underneath the bucket though, so the bucket dropped down. It's kind of just strapped 6 ways from Sunday back here. Hopefully that will be strong enough to continue to hold the bucket. But yeah, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but it's actually the perfect size that we needed. So now if we can just get it running and maybe do some, maybe we can find some of the cosmetics, get the headlights back in and stuff like that. Hopefully this will do what we need it to do. Alright, so I'm gonna go finish filling the truck. Oh, these are the rear fenders for it. So anyways, I'm gonna go finish filling the truck and get back on the road. Alright, so the tractor in the video is a Satoh Buck S470D. It is the 4-wheel drive. And let's see, it has a 3-cylinder diesel, about a 0.8 liter. Produces about 18.5 horsepower, and the PTO is claimed at 15 horsepower. The 4-wheel drive is a manual, steering is manual, drum brakes 6-speed. Pump flow is 3.5. The hitch is a Type 1, and it does have a 3-point hitch on the back. The rear PTO takeoff, the rear PTO is 540. It weighs about 1,200 pounds, well 1,268, but it also has a front end loader, which is probably about another 450 pounds. So all together, I'm guessing it weighs somewhere around 16 to 1,800 pounds, something like that. Let's see, what else here? Not a whole lot of information on this tractor. It was produced 1979 to 1984. It's a cute little tractor, and I'm hoping that once we can get everything up and running, that it will be a good tractor for a long time. Unfortunately, we do not know if it runs at all. We will have to find that out. We weren't able to pull it out of the trailer today. We just got busy, so that wasn't a priority today. But we are going to try to pull it out of there tomorrow. I don't know if there's any more photos. I guess we'll see. Nope. Let me see if I can find some more photos of it real quick. Okay, so here's a couple of photos. The two models that were similar, that are very similar, are the Beaver and the Buck. Now, ours is the Buck, and I don't know if any of these... It has a front end loader. I don't know what brand it is. I have to go and see if I can find a manufacturer's stamp or something on it, because I don't know what kind of brand the front end loader is. It's a cute little tractor. Let's see if I can get a size comparison here. Oh, this picture actually looks like it has a brand on that side there. Please don't. So that says it's a Schwartz 1100. You know what? I'm gonna write that down real quick. Anyhow, as you can see in the video, our tractor does not have the front headlights. I can get those, but they're included with this hood piece, which I don't really need, and they're wanting like $300 for it. So I don't know if I'm gonna get those or not. I may just put a different headlight setup in it. It'd be nice to restore it, but this is a tractor that's meant for work, so it doesn't have to be restored completely. or at least not original. Let's take a look at this picture. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the same front end loader or not. It's real similar, but not the same. I don't know. I'll have to try to find a brand on that for you guys. We will be working on this tractor and filming as we go, so I will keep you guys updated on the progress. Anyway, that's our new little tractor, and we will see you guys in the next video.